This is Abby, Sidonia, and Ashley. The girls at the sleepover are having a good time. Did someone send Sidonia a mean text saying, "You have rat teeth, never smile again, pluck your eyebrows, you are ugly, so never show your face again"? I think we should find this person. I think we should tell a trusted adult.
I think that it's the best idea to tell a trusted adult, which is my mom.
Perfect. They think they should tell Sidonia's mom. Hey girls, what's the problem?
Mom, someone sent me some mean texts.
Okay, let's change your email and block the person. Yay! Sidonia and her friends had a good time, and she was never messaged by a stranger again. Whenever someone calls or texts you and you don't know them, tell a trusted adult.